Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint, and now we're offering 2 incredible ways to start your acrylic painting journey, completely free or with our premium course experience. If you're brand new to acrylic painting, our free course Acrylic Painting Foundations is the perfect place to start. This email-based mini-course walks you through the essentials step by step, with bite-sized lessons linked to our easy-to-follow YouTube tutorials. You'll learn everything from brush techniques to blending, all at your own pace. But if you're ready to go beyond the basics, Paint Your Own Happiness is more than just a painting course. It's a transformative creative journey. This premium self-paced program doesn't just teach you how to paint. It helps you connect with your emotions, relieve stress, and use painting as a powerful tool for self-expression. You'll gain the confidence to create beautiful artwork while discovering how painting can be a deeply personal and therapeutic experience. Whether you want to unwind, express yourself, or simply find joy in the process, this course guides you step by step through both the technical skills of acrylic painting and the emotional benefits of creative self-care. Inside, you'll find structured lessons, printable guides, and in-depth video tutorials covering essential techniques to master acrylics, color mixing and blending for beautiful results, commonly requested subjects like clouds, trees and water, brushwork, layering, and composition for stunning artwork. Plus, there are unique self-art therapy techniques to use painting to relax, de-stress, and express yourself. Whether you're looking for a fun new hobby, a creative escape, or a structured learning path, we have the perfect course for you. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. Get started with our free Acrylic Painting Foundations course, or dive into the full Paint Your Own Happiness experience. Learn more at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.